If you have been looking for ways to start working from home, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get work from home job. You can start doing right here without any major requirement, right? And with this, you don't need any certificate or qualification to start working from home with this simple method I'm going to be sharing with you, right? This is an opportunity for you if you are a stay-at-home mom, if you are a student who is looking for means to start working, and if you are someone who is already working, you need an extra income you can start making some money from, you are a job seeker, or you want to explore the world of making money online, right? Now, this is an opportunity for you, right? Now, I'm not just going to be sharing with you one platform, but two platforms you can easily get work from home job from. And you can easily get works from home jobs for companies that will be paying you hourly, per day, per week, or no matter the agreement you guys have. So I'll take you to my screen and I'm going to be sharing with you this platform and how you can get started with them and how you can easily get jobs from this very platform, right? Now, before we jump right in that video, I know you are seeing me for the first time. My name is Mama Evans, and in this very channel, I drop videos around ways you can start making money online, productive videos, tech-related videos, and how you can start your business online and offline on the internet, right? Now, if this sounds interesting to you, please, I would love you to subscribe to this very channel right now. Like this video. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. And if you are doing that, drop in the comment right now, remote jobs. This helps the video to meet more people who are looking for jobs they can do from their home, right? Now, with that said, I'll take you to my screen right now. I'm very fast sharing with you these two platforms, how you can get started with them, and how you can land your first remote jobs right now, and you can start making some good money online right now. Now, right here in this video, I want to show you how you can secure a work from home job with little or no experience or without any certificate at all. Right now, these two websites I'm going to be reviewing to you in this video, they are going to land you your first work from home job. Now, if you are someone who is looking for ways you can start making money right now from the internet, you are a stay-at-home mom, you are a student, you are looking for a side income you can start doing, you are looking for a work from home job you can start doing. Now, all the jobs I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, they are all remote jobs. Now, you can get a work from home job from this very website. Now, this website, companies come to this website, register with them, and they offer their job on this website. And people like you and I come to this website to seek for jobs. As you can see, they have over 145 companies which are registered with this very platform. And these companies registered their jobs on this platform, and people like you come to this platform to seek for jobs. As you can see, these are recent remote jobs on this very platform right now. As you can see, this is a senior software developer, front-end, marketing director, content writer, technical writer. Right? If you are a video editor, you are a graphic designer, you are a teacher, you are a back-end developer, or you are a copywriter, right? Now, you can easily come to this website with your simple skills or with your digital skills or offline skills, and you can search for any jobs at all, right? Now, it doesn't matter what jobs you want to do, right? As far as that you have the experience or you have the knowledge, you can come to this website and start making money from this very website. Now, registering right here is free of charge. You have to register a free account with them that will give you access to jobs you can seek from this very website. These are jobs on this very platform right now. As you can see, assignment desk editor, online tutor, right? If you are a teacher, you can start making money from this very website right now. If you click on see all remote jobs, you are going to be having access to all the remote jobs you can lay your hands on, right? Now, these are remote developer jobs, online editing jobs, and if you scroll down, you're going to be accessing more and more jobs on this very platform. They have different categories you can lay your hands on. As you can see, these jobs were posted 4 hours ago, this was posted 5 hours ago, this was posted 18 hours ago. If you click on see all remote developer job, you're going to be having access to tens and hundreds of developer jobs, right? Just developer jobs, guys, just developer jobs. And if you check up right here, you're going to see that there are different categories of jobs you can easily lay access on. They have accounting, they have customer service. And these jobs are posted recently. Some jobs are posted few hours ago, and these are fresh jobs from the companies who are ready to offer you these jobs. And these jobs, you can do them from anywhere across the world, right? And the first thing you have to do is to register an account with them. Now, to register an account with them, you're going to click on sign up. As you can see right now, you're going to put in your name, your first name, second name, your username, your email address, and your password, and you are going to be having a free account with them immediately, guys, right? Immediately, guys. It's just very simple. Like, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to come to editing job right here. I'm going to look for a job, and I'm going to apply for a job, right? I'm a video editor, and I'm going to apply for an editing job, which I can do right here, right? If you click on editing job, it's going to load up, and as you can see right now, these are all the remote editing jobs right here, right? Assignment desk editor, social media editor. I'm going to click on video editor from Venia Commerce, right? Let's click on it.
As you can see, this job was posted 2 days ago, right? And the job is still available. If you click on the jobs, you are going to be having access to the details of this very job, right? As you can see, this is a video editor from Venia Commerce at Venia Media. The location is remote and is located at USA. The salary is $65,000 annually, right? Now, $1,000 is over $1,000,000 in my local currency right here. Now, imagine $65,000 in a whole year, right? That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. As you can see, the job is remote and is located in USA. And the benefits come along with matching retirement savings and dental insurance. Now, this job was posted 2 days ago, and the job right here is a full-time job, right? A full-time job in the sense that you can do these jobs from the comfort of your home. You can be working for companies in USA, in Canada, from the comfort of your home, even if you're in Nigeria. If you scroll down, you can see that what we do, right? This is what they do, right? What you will do. I'm telling the video editor or the person who is applying for this job what is going to be doing. We're going to see that these are what they are looking for, right? Now, this is like details of who they are looking for, the experience and the knowledge required from the video editor. Now, this is the experience and the knowledge required from the video editor. 2 to 5 years of professional editing experience and all of that. If you scroll down, these are all the details and the qualifications they need from the video editor. You must have an experience of 2 to 5 years, right? You must be a professional, right? And all of that. If you scroll down, you're going to see the place they are asking you to apply for jobs. Now, if you click on apply for jobs, you're going to apply for these jobs and they're going to have a visual interview with you. And if you are able to pass this interview, they are going to offer you this job on the go. So guys, I'm going to be telling you guys that to make money online is not that hard. If you know what you are doing online, and if you are ready to put in the work, you are going to make a lot of money from this very platform, right? So guys, I want you to let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a full stack tutorial on this very platform on how you can go about them, how you can apply for jobs, how you can create a well-optimized account, and how you can go over everything you need in this very platform. Let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do that for you guys, right? So with that said, let's move over to the next platform as I share with you the next platform right now. And if you are getting value from this video, I would just love you right now to just do me a favor by liking this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And the next platform I'm going to be sharing with you is a platform that is even support of Africa. If you are someone who's from Africa, this platform is going to be the best for you because there's not going to be more competition from this very platform. And the platform is called remoteafrica.io. Right now, this platform will offer you jobs if you are from Africa, anywhere across Africa, right? The first platform we have offer you job if you are from anywhere in the world. But this platform is majorly based on Africa. As you can see, discover the best remote jobs for Africa professionals, right? And you can easily post jobs on this platform and you can easily create an account with them. If you scroll down, you're going to see that these are jobs from different companies: video creation and editor. We have jobs from engineering, design, product marketing, development, customer support, copywriting, business and finance, and other remote jobs you can easily think of. If you scroll down, this is very simple and straightforward. What you have to do from this platform is just create a well-optimized account with them, put in a nice DP, or which is a nice picture, right? Put in all your credentials, all your CV, all your qualifications, and whatever experience and whatever portfolio you have, and you can easily start hunting for jobs from this very website. Now, you can opt for a part-time job or a full-time job, right? And all the jobs right here are remote. You can do it from the comfort of your bedroom. You don't even need to be going hunting for 9 to 5. Now, these two platforms are a wonderful platform where you can get remote jobs from, and you can work from home from this very platform, right? And this platform is amazing. People are using this as their full-time source of income, and I bet you, if you are dedicated and if you are serious about making money, you can land your first job with these two platforms. And these jobs are remote and they are paying very well, guys. So guys, let me know if you want me to create a full detailed tutorial on any of this platform I mentioned in this video. I'm going to do that for you. I'm going to be leaving all the links to this platform in the description below. I believe you got value. If you have any question, if you have any feedback, if you have any concern, please let me know in the comment section. I'm going to reply to all your comments and feedback.
Now, one of the good things about this platform is that your certificate and your experience does not really matter, right? What really matters is your resilience and if you are willing to put in the work, right? So guys, you don't really need certificate or experience to start making money from this remote platform, right? So guys, if you are a teacher, you have any skills, you are a video editor, you are a graphic designer, you can come to this platform, explore it, get jobs that suit your portfolio, and start making money from it, right? I believe this video was helpful to you, right? If it was, please do it to just help me by subscribing to this very channel if you have not done so, right? And like this video, right? This helped me a lot. And let me know in the comment section if you find this video valuable. And I want you to drop in the comment section remote jobs. All right, just drop it, remote jobs. Thanks you very much. And if you want me to create more videos around this very topic, do also let me know right there in the comment section. So guys, thanks again for watching. If you want to learn more ways you can explore the world of making money online, I have a complete playlist settled for you that you can develop. Click here right now to access that playlist, and I'm going to be seeing you right here. Bye for now.